Welcome to Cygzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to manage purchase flow in ERP Next. In the first step of the ERP purchase flow, we'll go to the material request list by searching Material Request List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Material Request. Click on Items Code. This is where we add the raw materials in graphite. Click on Add Raw and add in raw material, paint and click on Add Raw add in raw material, wood, specify the required by date, and set the quantity. We also select the target warehouse where the raw materials will be stored. Once all the details are entered, we click Save and then Submit to proceed. Next, we generate a request for quotation, RFQ, from the material request. In the RFQ, we'll add our suppliers along with their contact details and email addresses. After reviewing the information, we click Save and Submit to finalize the request. From the request for quotation, we now move to creating the supplier quotation. We'll select the supplier who has offered the best rates for the raw materials, enter those rates, and then click Save and Submit to confirm the quotation. With the supplier quotation confirmed, we can now create a purchase order. In this step, we ensure that the rates and raw materials are correctly listed. Once we verify all the details, we click Save and Submit to proceed with the purchase order. Next, we'll create a purchase receipt from the purchase order. Again, we'll ensure that the rates and raw materials are properly recorded. Once everything is accurate, we click Save and Submit to acknowledge receipt of the goods. After receiving the goods, the next step is to generate a purchase invoice based on the purchase receipt. We check that all the items and rates match, and once everything looks good, we click Save and Submit to finalize the invoice. Finally, we'll create a payment entry from the purchase invoice. In this step, we select the payment method, verify the accounts and party type, and then click Save and Submit to complete the payment process. To wrap up, we check the status of the purchase invoice. Once it's marked as paid, the payment entry is completed and the purchase flow is successfully finished.